Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today I want us to review Spark 7 and do unboxing for this new Spark which was released in April 2021. Yeah, I want us to review this one in this December. We'll see whether it's the best phone for the month of December in Africa. This is a African version. We have this Spark 7 in two types. We have international version, which comes with 6000 mAh battery size, and this Spark 7, the one I'm going to unbox, which is a African version, which comes with 5000 mAh battery size. So let's go ahead and see the packaging for this Spark 7. So this is how it comes in the box. It comes like this. Then here it comes with these details, which you can see. So this one comes in two types. We have 32 plus 2. Also we have 64 plus 3. Yeah, as you can see, this one is in black before we open. Then it also comes with 1 year warranty. Yeah, it's made from China, which is a company which is well known for making these Tecno phones. So let's go ahead and unbox this phone. We see, but before we unbox this one, this phone comes with the seal, which I've already broken. When you are buying this one, you have to make sure that this seal is not broken, so that they don't fake you or give you fake, as you can see from here. Yeah, so what is written here, as you can see, it comes with 16 megapixels and 5000 mAh. Yeah, then it's very big. Its display is 6.5. Yeah, so let's go ahead and box this. For already on this paper. So when you open, this is how it is packed. As I've said, it comes with a 12 plus 1 months warranty. Yeah, you can go ahead and read this one. So this is the phone, as you can see. Let's put this one aside. Then inside it comes with this plastic phone cover. You can use this one as well, though I don't advise people to use this one. Then it also comes with charger. Yeah, it comes with charger, which is the output of 2 amperes, and the USB cable. Then another one we have comes with this headsets of this type. And this one. Yeah, so that is all. Also it comes with serial number. So let's put this one aside. We see the phone. So this is the phone. It comes with, as it is displayed here, it comes with 16 megapixel and a 5.5 6.5 screen display, 5000 battery, and a smile snapshot. So this is the phone, as you can see. This is the phone. So guys, to go ahead and to talk on the design, this phone comes with a 6.5 screen display and a front camera of 8 megapixel. This one is 8 megapixel, and on the right side it comes with a volume and power buttons. Then on the left side it has SIM slots and the SD card. Then here on the bottom it comes with 3.5 jack and a USB 2.0 and the mouse piece. Then here on the top it has the earpiece. Yeah, then here on the top there is no any LED lights. And then on the back as you can see it has the logo of Spark. Yes, common version of Tecno, which is good. Spark minus not considering common. Yes, then here it has fingerprints and the flashlight and the two cameras on the back side. That's two cameras, due 16 megapixels. So let's go ahead and put this phone on. We see how long it can take. So as you can see, it doesn't take much time. So to go ahead, it comes with several applications, but you can go ahead and delete those applications which you don't like. Then to check on the system of this, it comes with a 2 GB RAM. As I've said, this one is a African version, which comes with a 5000 milliamperes. So when you buy international version, it comes with a 6000 milliamperes battery size. Then the storage, this Spark 7 comes in two types. A 64, which is called Spark 7 Pro, it comes with 64 plus 3. Then the front camera, it has 8 megapixels. Then the back side view camera, it comes with 16 megapixels. The camera size is not that much big, but I will show you later what it can do. Then on Android, it comes with Android 11. As I've said, this phone was released in April 2021. Yeah, so it comes with Android 11. As you can see, it comes with this Android 11. This is the logo of Android 11. Yeah, then to go ahead, this one comes with HiOS version, which is 7.6, which is the latest Tecno software for Tecno. Yeah, then to check the storage, this is the storage. It comes with 32. As you can see here, it comes with 32 and 2 GB RAM. Yeah, then again, to talk on the design, it has the smooth edges which are not sharp. Yeah, so it's not on my side, it's not really a bad phone if you're considering to buy a cheap phone which you can use, which you can buy in this month of December. You can consider buying this phone. But if you're someone who always on internet, then you need to buy Spark 7 Pro, which has 64 GB RAM and 3 GB RAM. Yeah guys, so let's go ahead and check the camera. We're going to check the camera, we'll see what it can do. Then So guys, that was a Spark 7 a review and unboxing. Please don't forget to leave any comment if you have something to share or if you have anything to ask me. Yeah, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.